Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, click over here, or buy me a coffee, link is in the description and the pinned comments. Thank you guys so much for your support. It's been amazing. You know, the community has been very united and sending me a lot of different videos, and I'm so happy that we're gonna do another Ylvis video. This is Ylvis at the gym. So let's check this out. This is already gonna be funny. Ylvis at the gym. Oh man, if the guard is the one doing something, that's gonna be even funnier.
Bam! Vi står her på Fitness Express, og her inne ligger det folk og pumper for å bli deilige og fine. Men de har dessverre ingen lyd på treningsøkten sin, og det tenkte vi skulle hjelpe dem med i dag. På hvilken måte? Vi har telefonene våre fulle med den mest avanserte programvare som kan lage all verdens type lyder, som for eksempel dette. Og så har vi koblet telefonen til lydanlegget i hele treningssenteret.
No, this is a prank at the gym. That's a massager, isn't it? Their expressions. Oh my goodness, this is so childish. They're catching on. Come on, man. Look at their faces. They don't even break a smile. Come on, man. Oh, wow. Why is this so funny? Wow. Honestly, I mean, that was funny, but I honestly think that is kind of motivational. It kind of makes you finish your full set, you know? Because you're like, when he was stuck in the middle, it's kind of like it's the same tone. So it kind of gives you more energy to go that. I want this at my gym. Man, that would be funny. That would be really funny if you could have that. I actually feel like it would motivate you to finish your set. But anyways, that was cool. This is such a simple and innocent prank. And, you know, it didn't invade anyone's space. It was just funny, you know. And I think the funniest part was that they didn't even break a smile. They were just like, where's my phone? I don't know where my phone is. But they were just like with, you know, just staring at them like, that's what makes it even funnier, because they didn't break character at any second. But okay, thank you so much, Yulia, for sending this video. And if you want to request a video just like Yulia did, link is in the description. Thank you so much, and you can click over here as well, or watch more of the Ylvis videos here on the playlist. Take care guys, bye bye.